Welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's video, I just want to talk about one of the Ethereum killer. They used to call it Ethereum killer, right? ICX. So when you take a look at ICX, this is a weekly chart. The current price of ICX is 19 cents, right, on Binance. If you remember, like the 2017, we had a big run up from all the altcoins, right? And then Wanchain was one of the most prominent one. And then we had like a $12 Wanchain from from 10 cents, right, from ICO price. So on the bear market, I'm still expecting Wanchain to continue the sell off all the way down to like a 8 cents to 7 cents, right? So the current price of Wanchain is 19 cents. So you're looking at more than like 60% sell off, right? So at least before end of the summer, right? Late July, early September, right? I'm expecting Wanchain to go down to 7 cents. ICX, sorry, to go down to 7 cents. So talking about Wanchain, let's take a look at Wanchain. Wanchain came out like late March, right? Let's say middle of the March, and then we had like a big run up, right? From Wanchain, right? So I'm still expecting like Wanchain to make same type of a pattern, this falling wedge, and then retest a low outside. We're gonna make this falling wedge, and then outside gonna at least retest this area of 30 until I see like outside retest it. I mean, until I see outside test this area of 30, I'm not gonna be interested in touching the Wanchain, right? Even though like the project is pretty popular, but on this bear market you wanna buy at the lowest price, right? So I'm expecting Wanchain to go down to like, let's say 8 to 9 cents, close to ICX price, right? So that's what I'm expecting, at least for the short term. Let's take a look at NEO. When you take a look at NEO also like suffering a lot during this bear market, from like 195 to like $5.40, right? So at least I'm expecting also NEO to retest this area of $5.50. I'm expecting NEO to retest this area of $5.50 and make a flat correction, something similar to that, and still gonna break below this area. So my ultimate target for NEO is like 388 to 350 on the next Bitcoin sell-off, right? So we could see NEO as low as $3. Let's say 350. Let's just get an even number like 350 to 330, right? When BTC goes below 24 to 2200. So that's where I'm trying to catch NEO, right? This area of $3.50 to $3.88. So that was my long-term target from NEO, since NEO was like $60. So it's not like a current price target from me for NEO. So, but $7 for NEO is still like a pretty cheap. Let's say your ultimate goal for NEO, your ultimate goal from a NEO is like to hold it for the next 3 to 5 years. So you still could be buying like slowly from $7 down to $3.50, right? So another project I wanted to talk about, let's see, in the top top 100 is ADA. ADA is still like suffering also, but we had a big push to the upside from to 0.027 to like a 0.52. So that's almost like a doubled in price, right? So 90 to 95% to the upside. So yeah, actually like 106, right? So what I'm expecting also from ADA is to break this low and then retest the ICO price right around 2 cents. So at least right around 2 cents. So, but it all depends, because ADA seems like they're going to be having some good news coming in very soon, so that's going to play a huge difference, on the on the near future, right? So in the near future, so I'm still expecting like ADA to retest like penny and a half to 2 cents at least, before the middle of the summer, right? So all these cryptos, they're gonna make the same type of pattern, but it all depends like which one gonna get set off more. So, but they're all gonna break. They're all gonna get new lows at least another 50 to 65% regardless. ADA, Ethereum, LITECOIN, all of them gonna get another 50 to 65% before another move to the upside. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think down below. If you think like a ICX, Wanchain, Neo, and ADA all gonna make new lows, or this is the bottom, and then we going back to all-time high. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the like, share, and let me know what you think down below. Thank you for watching.